Hey guys, welcome back. Good to see you all again. I know it's been a month since I last uploaded a video, but I've been busy for the past month because the older people on the ship have already left and new guys have come in. So it's been busy, trying to explain to them what the ship is, what, where, how to find for stuffs on this vessel, because it's an old ship like I told you last time. So it's not that easy finding things over here and then fixing them. It's not easy. Okay, so today I decided to upload this video because today is I'll be completing 150 days on this vessel, and it's been a good time. These 150 days I've enjoyed the most, got a lot of things to learn. Hopefully in the next 150 days I should be signing off from this vessel. Let's see what the situation is. Okay, so today's video is on the anchor stations, and I hope many of you must have heard about the term anchor, but even I had never seen an anchor actually before joining a vessel. So I decided to actually share this video. I hope you guys enjoy it, and hit me in the comment section below what videos you want more. I'll try and make them. Okay, so in a few moments I'll be getting a call to proceed for stations. See you guys there. Bye bye.
Are you all my personal dreams?
Okay, forward, you can proceed for stations.
Press forward, proceeding for power station. Press forward, standing by, waiting for your orders.
Okay, forward, you can now prepare the stations, and once you are ready, you can let me know.
Forward will cooperate.
Good forward, you can lower the anchor now up to water level and wait for my orders.
Forward will cooperate.
Okay, forward, you can now commence to lower the anchor. We go up to 6 shackles on deck.
Brace forward, well copied. We'll start lowering the starboard anchor and we will make 6 shackles on deck. I repeat, 6 shackles on deck. Over. Brace forward, started lowering the starboard anchor. Now 1 shackle on deck, cable left up and down. Over.
Copy forward.
Brace forward, now 2 shackles on deck, cable up and down. Over. Brace forward, 4 shackles on deck, cable leading 2 o'clock short stay. Over.
Well copied forward, 4 on deck. Cable leading 2 o'clock short stay.
Brace forward, 6 shackle on deck, cable leading 3 o'clock long stay. Over.
Well copied forward, that will do. Okay, once you have put the bow stoppers on and disengaged the gear, you can let me know.
Forward, well copied, sir. Brace forward, 6 shackles on deck, cable leading 3 o'clock long stay. Brakes are on, gears are disengaged, bow stopper on. We are observing the anchor for brought up. Over.
Okay, forward, copied. You can now hoist the anchor ball and inform me when she is brought up.
Forward, well copied, sir. Now we are putting on the anchor ball. Brace forward, cable leading 3 o'clock long stay, coming to medium stay. Looks like the anchor is brought up. Over.
Well copied forward. Thank you. Okay guys, so finally we are done with the anchor stations and you can see these vessels along with us at anchor. I will just go back to the wheelhouse and show you what it looks like on the display. Let's go.
Are you all my personal dream?
Hey guys, so this is the display. This is our vessel position over here. I'll just zoom out a bit. Yeah, so all these are the other vessels in the vicinity which are at anchor, and you can get the individual details of the vessel by just clicking on it. So here you can see under the status column at anchor is written. Okay, so after the vessel is at anchor, next important job is to keep a good lookout, to look for any fishing vessels nearby, to look for changing weather conditions, if the anchor is holding good or not. That was it. That was about the anchor stations. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if there are any suggestions, you can just let me know in the comments below. Until then, bye bye guys, stay safe. I think I'll go to sleep now. We'll meet soon.